Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. So you went out, you bought that really, really nice LG all-in-one, and all of a sudden, this does not want to come out. Well, we're going to show you how to fix that, because what it should look like is you put your hand in here and you lift and it pops right out. Okay, but a lot of time what can happen is, and then this is your lint screen, and then basically you pop this out, you clean it, you put it back in. Now, what I've seen happening is people will do this and they'll miss this. Okay, and now that's not in right. Obviously, I'm not going to put it in like this to break it, but when you put it in, okay, you have to basically force it in. Not saying you did it, not saying you didn't do it, but it happened. Okay, what happened is this one wasn't put in correctly, and this is now below this. So what we got to do is we got to back that up to get it to go in. Okay, you see what happens? It's all funky wonky. Okay. If I can do this correctly. Okay, got to pop it from one side, come to the other side, and it pops right up. See what happens is it actually came out of the track there. So at that point, I'm going to show you how to fix that. But when you do it, you want to make sure that this goes in cleanly like this. It should be real nice, real easy to slide. Okay? And then you basically just drop it back in. Okay. So now that you got it fixed, just be careful. Take your time. This is something that, like I said, if you don't take care of it, you're going to break this, you're going to break this, you're going to break this. And then I'm coming out and it's not going to be fun, because this won't work unless this is in correctly. Okay, folks? So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come back for some more wonderful information and have a wonderful week.